Video yan, ba't ka nakasmile?
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy Wating.
Daddy Wating.
I love you. Sabi.
I love you.
I love you, Daddy Wating.
Wow, sweet naman. Tapos.
Miss you.
Sabi mo, Daddy, miss na kita, Daddy. Sabihin mo nga, dali. Miss ka na, Daddy Wating. Kisha. Ay, nako, ipapaligpit ni Daddy ang swimming pool.
Miss na kita.
Namamiss kita, Daddy Wating.
Ina naman mo.
Lakas mo nga, I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Okay, swimming ka na. Doon ka, be, para makita. Wow, sexy naman. Naks, ang sexy naman ni Butanding. Kisha, Pem. Baby.
Be, anak ko, mama.
Wow, galing naman mag-swimming. Sarap dito.
Sarap po, eh. Balo na, be.
Ligo na tayo, baby. Wait.
Swimming ako.
Swimming ako. Diba? Swimming ako, diba?
Ay, abi pag-uwi. Mag-swimming kayo.
Kisha, Pem.
Alam dito, be.
Wow.
Dati, takot pa tayo nilagay noon, eh.
Tatawa ko, basta yung makita swimming pool, naguhubad eh.
Oo.
Hap!
Nilalagyan na ng water. Lagyan mo, be, sige. Mapupuno yan.
Ito, tulog.
Malagi ito sa lisi mo.
Tulog. Kisha.
Swim ka na, be, swim.
Wow, Butanding.
Mayroon din pa, ano, paa.
Kisha, hi ka nga, hi.
Harap dito, be.
Ano kaya yun? Lagi nakatalikod. Kanta ka nga. Open your heart. The mystery. One family. No more walls. More chains. No. Pag mahina boses ko, mahina rin boses niya. No more selfishness. And closed doors. That really are in the fullness. God's time is the time of the great Jubilee. Galing naman.
Journey.
Journey. What a journey it has been. And the end is nothing. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. Galing naman. Ano? Iingatan? Iingatan
ka. Alagaan ka.
Sa puso ko, ikaw ang pag-asa. Dali na, sing na. Pag mahina, kasi boses ko, hinaan niya rin. At sinulo. Wow. Kisha, halika na, bihis na tayo. Maglilinis pa, oh. Maglalaba pa si Ate Didi. Di pa si Kayla, oh. I left my ball. Ano yung sabi niyan? Ni Marina?
Alam mo
I left my ball in the pool. Ano tayo?
Dirty Papa. Dirty Papa. Dirty Papa. Dirty Papa. Dirty Papa.